Hi! In this video, you will learn how to clean your washing machine. Step number 1 is to clean your machine in a high temperature program with the powdery detergent. Why powdery? Because it's a bit more effective than the liquid one, but if you only have a liquid one, you can also use that. You can also buy these washing machine tablets that are specifically used to clean the machine, but you're just well off with the normal detergent as well. So step number 1 is to run your machine empty with the normal program, say cotton program, which is the first one, and opt in for the highest temperature. In this machine, it's 90, which is equal to around 194 Fahrenheit. And you just put in your washing detergent powder here. Use 1/3 of the normal amount to avoid excess foaming. We got the powder in and start. Oh, what is that? We found money. For cleaning this rubber insulation, you need an old toothbrush or dish brush, all-purpose cleaner, and a microfiber cloth. So let's get into it. Okay, it will take some time, but be patient, just focus on the details. As you can see, it's a lot cleaner now. So just like go around every spot. You open it like this. And there's quite a bit of dust. So here, this you might want to wash. Okay, so get some kind of low container if you're in a space where you don't have a drain nearby. If you're in a bathroom, it's no problem, but be prepared that some water will get out. So you open the filter by rotating, and a lot of water is coming. Alright, and this, what typically happens? You use all-purpose cleaner and a microfiber, and you clean the filter hole and around. So you have this small drain hose here. You take it out, you remove the plug, and see if anything comes out. This is pretty clean. You can wipe the plug and put it back. Now let's take this to wash. We will wash it in the normal sink, and alongside that we will take the detergent box. We need to pull down here and it comes off. There's quite a bit of dirt here, but we will deal with that later. Now we will go wash the detergent box and the filter in the sink. Alright, I also took the door of the filter section and the filter with me. I will wash them all with a normal soap, dish soap, and a brush. Alright, so next let's do a final cleaning for the machine. So let's just clean all the surface areas with this microfiber and all-purpose cleaner. So for example, the box inside there, the door, the hinges, outside, everywhere. Alright, let's put the parts back in that we took out. So the box and the filter parts. This back here, bottom boards. You have this little switch, and then the door. So that's it. Now we're ready. The high temperature program would be good to run at least once a year. The filters you should even aim to clean every month if possible. So my catch from this cleaning was 10 cents. That will be my tip. I hope you found this video helpful as well. Let me know in the comments if you have your own hacks for cleaning washing machine, and hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.